Hello, my name is Dion Jackson, and in this Design and Analysis of Algorithms course, we will talk about, in a 7-module progression, about the stages for a typical design analysis course. First, we'll start off with mathematical induction. We'll move into design techniques, sorting algorithms, graph search, prioritized scheduling, and finally wrap it up with a little bit of intractability. Why we want to know about this particular important course? Well, if you're just considering a job in the field of computer science or artificial intelligence, or you think about being a web developer or some type of analyst, these analytical skills are important to you, as well as some of them are important to the field of mathematics. If you're not familiar with the Millennial Prize problems, for a correct answer, select proof of these 7 problems, one of which has already been solved. But they offer a $1 million cash prize. In this course, we'll talk about some analytical methods. We'll talk about ways to demonstrate your abilities, and hopefully your learning outcomes will come around to the way to be able to applicably apply your algorithms, or at least an approximated approaches for certain NP-complete problems. So, hopefully you will join today.